Alrighty guys, 4K short 4 with a in the B slot for the back pair. Marconi again, good job with that inside leg grip. Nice shape of that first 4. Yeah, I don't think I would have chosen this engineering. I think a standard 4 would give a much shorter K build. If you want to practice this, that's all well and good, but yeah, I don't think it's the right engineering for this particular thing. So anyway, Manuel, things that we're working on for you is only going your 90 degrees around, like Felipe does there. Let's have a look at this next one. Cool. Yep, it's definitely better. Just remember not to overdo it, not to come too far around. This grip, it caught you out on one of the previous ones, and I really think that the relationship between outside center and inside center, in this case Fred, it should be more 90 degrees. This is too open a picture, and that's not a very comfortable grip to hold on to at the start of the move, as you realized. I think like taking it higher up the leg. Sometimes I even go over the grip, depending on how outside center feels about that. Go over and pick up the inside leg grip over the top of the thigh. But generally, I want to pick up the grip high and keep my body closer to Manuel so that I don't get that picture. You see that? So that's too far open now. And then now you've got to make up that move, and it's a bit too staged on the block. And you guys are doing an okay job with this engineering, but as I said, it's not wouldn't be my preference. I think just standard 4 and yeah, no slot switching. Have a little look, Manuel. See where Fred is. Let's see where you end up. A little far around the corner still. And it's working simply because the piece isn't spinning that well because of the shape at the beginning between Fred and Felipe. Yeah, so I feel like a tighter picture would be good. Yeah, still kind of open there, so I want a shorter, more 90 degrees. That was a better move though, Fred. You actually carried on moving with, so what you've been doing up until now, Fred, is you've been kind of letting Felipe go, but you go with him more. Kind of like the beginning of the 2. You've got to be moving with him, otherwise it becomes a real staged move. And then the piece should turn quicker, and then for Manuel, ideally he wouldn't have the chance to get so far around. Yeah, I still prefer like a shorter move around like Felipe does here. Let's look at where Fred is. Yeah, you see Felipe's finishing there, and it's a very easy catch. Cool, so shorter build, Fred, between you and outside center.